A song plays from 10 years ago. You freeze, and the word fades for a second, replaced by a version of you that felt simpler, lighter, alive. That wave washing over you isn't just memory, it's nostalgia. Psychological time machine your brain built to comfort you, guide you, and sometimes trap you. Welcome to Why Do That? Make yourself at home. Nostalgia isn't just remembering, it's remembering with feeling. It blends joy and sadness, pleasure and loss. Your brain reactivates the emotional tone of past moment, not just the facts. That's why it feels physical. Your chest warms, your eyes sting, your face softens. The hippocampus retrieves the scene, but the amygdala paints it with color. The result is memory soaked in emotion. Nostalgia acts like psychological regulation. It balances loneliness, anxiety, and uncertainty. When the present feels unstable, the mind opens old files that feel safe. Those memories remind you of continuity, that you survived before and can again. In experiments, people who reflected on nostalgic memories reported higher feelings of meaning and self-worth. It's not escapism, it's emotional repair. Old songs, smells, and photos release a cocktail of dopamine and oxytocin. Dopamine sparks motivation and pleasure. Oxytocin evokes bonding and warmth. Together, they make nostalgia addictive. That's why hearing a childhood song or seeing an old photo can lift your mood instantly. The brain rewards you for emotional connection, even to the past. It's comfort through chemistry. Memory edits reality. The brain removes boredom, pain, and silence, keeping only the peaks. You don't recall every argument from high school, just the glow of friendships. This editing bias, called rosy retrospection, turned the past into a highlight reel. It's not deception, it's protection. The brain softens old pain to make life feel coherent. There's a difference between comfort and retreat. When nostalgia becomes constant, it starts replacing engagement with the present. You replay better times and quietly stop creating new ones. This happens most during transition, breakups, moves, aging, or burnout. The brain uses the past to soothe, but too much reflection steals the moment you're in. The comfort becomes a cage. Nostalgia isn't always solitary, it strengthens bonds. Sharing old stories builds connection and identity within a group. That's why reunions feel healing and why old songs bring crowds together. Nostalgia reminds people they belong to a shared timeline. It's not just looking back, it's looking back together. Nostalgia surges when life feels unpredictable. During uncertainty, the past acts like a stable anchor. It gives a sense of continuity when the future feels unknown. Psychologists call this existential grounding. The mind uses nostalgia to rebuild identity in moments of change. You don't look back because you're weak, you look back because the present feels shaky. You can turn nostalgia into strength instead of escape. Write about what those memories taught you. Revisit old places, not to stay there, but to measure growth. Let nostalgia inspire gratitude, not longing. The goal isn't to relive the past, but to reconnect with what made it meaningful. The best memories are bridges, not destinations. You keep looking back because nostalgia ties the story of who you were to who you are. It soothes fear, restores meaning, and reminds you that even fleeting moments can echo for decades. Just don't mistake the echo for the music itself. The past is meant to visit, not to live in. And if you watched this video all the way up here, that means it was interesting. So hit like and subscribe for more psychology you can use in real life. And if you want to support my channel and fuel the next episode, you can do this with a coffee. Link and other things you can find useful below the video. This is Why Do That? See you in the next one.